Hello, it's your girl Vivian. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across my video. I want to tell you home remedies on how to treat cough naturally without breaking a bank. One, if you look at my left hand side, you're going to see a corn husk. Look at my right hand side, you're going to see a palm fruit. First of all, burn your corn husk to ash. Then your palm fruit, don't cook it, pound it to soften, then extract the oil naturally. After this, take 1 teaspoon of the ash from the corn husk, mix it with 1 teaspoon of the extracted oil. Drink it one morning and one evening, 5 to 7 days. This will enable you to get rid of any kind of cough that is affecting you or your children. Please, if this video is useful for you, click, share, like and comment. Notify me if we have any other video you want me to make concerning any other sickness that are reversible. Thanks.